Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you our new car. Check this puppy out. '16 Corvette Stingray. It's such a beautiful car, beautiful color. It's Daytona Sunrise Metallic. I'll pull it out and show you guys the color in the sunlight. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the key. You can hop on in. Kalahari leather seats. I'll show you that more in a bit. I'll go ahead and pull it out. 8-speed automatic transmission, rear view camera. Let's show you guys what it looks like from the outside. Those are our three other cars. 2014 Mercedes ML350, 2014 Porsche Cayenne, 2007 Hummer H3X, and 2016 Corvette Stingray. Like I said, it's Daytona Sunrise Orange Metallic. Kalahari leather seating, 20-inch aluminum wheels in the back, 19-inch in the front, performance exhaust, I don't know if you can see the sparkle of that paint. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This is just an intro video. I'm also going to have the unloading process right now, right after I'm done talking, so you can see how that was. We got it shipped to our house from a dealership in New Hampshire. Before I cut to the unloading process, let me just give you a few revs. Let me just get you to this full speedometer here. There we go. I mean tachometer. Look down there, 64 miles on it. These trio of cars make for a pretty decent collection in the driveway. Until then, check out the unloading process. Wow, that's huge.
You got me stropping my stuff.
Switch cars.
The wife wants a Ferrari, so yeah. So we can talk.
Yeah, we can make an arrangement here.
You know, we never do it, but I can make stuff without breaking the trailer for X amount of money.
said it was in the cubby here.
Yeah, that's right. Right here, there somewhere. Some bag of stuff. I don't know.
It's in here. Yeah, there.
Is that it?
Yeah, there's
Spare
things.
key?
There's a couple of things in it.
Yeah, it's
Take out the whole thing.
Here you go.
And the keys.
Yeah, you got
Okay.
2 keys. You get by yourself.
But in the sunlight, it really pops like a Hummer.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
It looks darker.
It like changes colors depending on the light.
It's the same color you saw on. Really?
Rising Star Transportation.
Yeah, let me get you.
We have deer, but it's nice. Yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet here. Yeah, and it's quiet. Yeah, no.
You don't notice how long it is.
Oh my goodness.
Bye, take care.